All right, today I have a Nissan Maxima, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this vehicle. But before I get started, if you find my content helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake. Now, I'm in the vehicle. Some people call this an e-brake or emergency brake. All right, this is just one way to turn it on. Okay, there's probably other ways. But, all right, as you can see, the vehicle is in park. All right, and what I tend to do is, even though it's in park, I tend to put my foot on the brake, actual brake itself. And then I come over here. Do you see where that is right down there? This, where it says push on, push off. That is the parking brake, the e-brake. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foot on it, and I'm going to push it down all the way till it stops. All right, and if you look up on the instrument panel, it says brake right there, and that's indicator that the parking brake is engaged and it is on. All right, pretty cool. Now I'm going to turn it off. I am going to take a step back. You see car still in park, put my foot still on the brake right here. I'm going to look down there. All right, I'm going to look down there, and then I am going to press that push on, push off button again. I'm going to press it down and then bring my foot up, and it is released just like that. And that's how you turn on and off the parking brake on a Nissan Maxima. Let me know if you have any questions.